Hi viewers, today we are going to see how to change the pre-filter of the water filter. See here, this is the water filter and we are changing the pre-filter. First we have to unplug the filter mains. Okay, next let's see how to remove the filter and fix it. Yeah, first we have to remove the pre-filter by using
keep this spanner.
Yes.
And hold here tight.
Hold it tightly and you have to remove the. Yeah, we have to turn this anti-clockwise and yeah, it is very easy to remove it. Yeah, see how dust. It is so nasty. Now we are going to change the filter. First we have to wash the pre-filter container neatly. If you have lemon, you can use the lemon to clean it. After that, we have to take, this is the pre-filter. This you can purchase in online also. We have so many links to purchase this. The link will be given in the description below. This is the antibacterial and microbial. As this is the filter what we are changing now. See how nice it is. Is so clear, and see the previous one, this is so nasty. See, this is full of mud. Now we are going to fix the new one into the container. It is very easy to fix. See how to fix it. See, yes, let's show you. See, here we have one knob. You have to fix this to that knob. See, yes, like that you have to fix it. See, yeah, now we are fixing it. Exactly into that knob we have to fix. And how to fix it. See how we are fixing, like that you have to fix. Yeah. Now we are going to turn it into clockwise to fit exactly. Yes. This is how we will change the water purifier pre-filter. This is the water filter pre-filter and we have to switch on the plug. Thank you viewers. For more videos, please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel.